How to add a moderation bot to Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search discord.com and log into your account. Then, click on the server where you want to add. Then click on the server name at the top, which will open all these options. In here, simply click on App Directory. In here, you'll find different options. Click on the search bar at the top right. After you've clicked on the search bar, type in MEE6. Then click on MEE6 in here. Then in here, you'll find Add App option. Click on Add App, which will open this kind of page. Scroll down in here and you will find Add to Server. Click on Add to Server. Then you can scroll down in here again and select the server and press on continue. After you've pressed on continue, you will find this kind of screen. You can give access to other channels if you want to. If not, you can uncheck it and press on authorize at the bottom. After you've done that, you will find this kind of screen. As you can see, it has been success. Now you can go back and see there will be moderation bot. This is how to add a moderation bot to Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.